Electric vehicles have been applauded for being more efficient than vehicles powered by fossil fuels. Yet, the topic of whether electric cars pose an environment risk persists. In this video, we'll offer a spoiler about electric vehicles' dark sides. We have researched whether and how electric vehicles are hazardous to the environment. If you want to get all of these details, watch the video till the end. Production of electric vehicles. Making an automobile starts with extracting, purifying, and transporting raw materials, then creating several parts assembled into the final product. Despite this, conventional and electric vehicle manufacturing is nearly comparable. Electric automobiles pollute more. How? EV battery production harms nature. Aluminum and carbon fiber reinforced polymers are used to make electric vehicle components but require a lot of energy. Manufacturing electric car motors have a significant environmental impact. EVs use permanent magnets and induction motors. Permanent magnet motors use magnets, whereas induction motors don't. These magnets use a lot of electricity and harm the environment, yet their rare earth components improve motor power. The European Environment Agency determined battery electric car production emits more than internal combustion engine automobiles. According to studies, electric car manufacturing emits 59% more CO2 than internal combustion engine automobiles. Batteries use lithium, nickel, cobalt, and graphite. Mining these resources, which are deep down, harms the biosphere. Smelting rare earth ores produce sulfur oxide and other air pollutants. Battery production consumes a lot of energy, and since most of it isn't low carbon, it contributes to the battery's environmental effect. Energy production. Some manufacturers still burn coal to charge EVs despite building renewable energy networks and using low-carbon electricity to charge plug-in cars. Coal-powered electric vehicle charging pollutes the environment. If the vehicle is powered by a distant fossil fuel power plant, carbon dioxide is emitted into the atmosphere but not from the exhaust. As climate change awareness rises, EV electricity generation is improving. More renewable energy sources are being added to the grid, which will reduce automobile and battery charging emissions. Even after power generation, electric vehicles emit 17 to 30% less carbon than gasoline or diesel, according to the European Energy Agency. Low-carbon electricity reduces emissions dramatically. Electric cars are cleaner now and will likely get cleaner in the future. Electric vehicles will remain environmentally friendly if current trends continue. What happens after a battery dies? Nothing good lasts forever, including electric batteries. Most electric vehicles employ lithium-ion batteries, which must be discarded after 80% of their initial function. Almost 12 million tons of lithium-ion batteries will be decommissioned by 2030. These batteries contain massive amounts of toxic raw materials when mined or exposed. When do they retire? Because electric vehicle batteries retain a lot of capacity, scientists have given them another chance. Although the batteries could no longer power cars, they could store excess energy from solar or wind farms. These could be fixed batteries or used in production. Tesla, for instance, will maintain retired batteries, extending their lifespan. Reusing batteries saves energy and removes lead-acid batteries. Lithium-ion batteries are safer and last longer. Reusing an electric vehicle's lithium-ion battery reduces its carbon footprint by 17%. They would be used for longer, offsetting the environmental impact of making the batteries. Yet, now that we know batteries have a second life, what happens when they reach the end of their second existence? Recycling. Batteries should be recycled once they have served their purpose. Over 60% of lead-acid batteries in the US are in cars and last only 2 years, but 99% are recycled. Despite their longer lifespan and decreased toxicity, only 5% of lithium-ion batteries are recycled. The rest are burned or dumped in landfills, increasing their carbon impact. Used batteries include recyclable metals and other components. Yet, recycling batteries waste water and pollutes the air. This method endangers workers and the environment. If lithium-ion batteries are thrown with waste, they could cause fires in transit or landfills. Garbage fires release CO2. Because most batteries have yet to be recycled, recycling them is expensive and never-ending. Thankfully, numerous companies are developing lithium-ion battery recycling plants. Tesla Motors is one of several companies that have started building battery recycling facilities at their Nevada Gigafactory. We need a carbon dioxide reduction strategy. Comparison between electric vehicles and internal combustion engine cars. All cars, whether electric or powered by internal combustion engines, have consequences for society and the environment. Nonetheless, electric vehicles have several positive environmental impacts compared to conventional cars. To begin mitigating their environmental impact, electric vehicle manufacturers utilize low-carbon electricity and optimize their processes. This suggests that despite having some effect on the environment, electric vehicles globally produce less carbon dioxide than internal combustion engines. The dangerous exhaust emissions, including various nitrogen oxides, are still emitted by conventional automobiles, but they are no longer a problem with electric vehicles. Because they don't have a tailpipe, electric cars contribute nothing to air pollution through carbon dioxide. Compared to gasoline-powered cars, which need 142 megajoules per 100 kilometers, electric vehicles only need 38 megajoules per 100 kilometers. In contrast, electric vehicle tires release more particulate matter than internal combustion engine vehicles. The heavier batteries of electric cars induce faster tire wear. Our verdict. Now we can answer the question, are electric cars environmentally destructive? If companies continue to create energy and extract resources by burning fossil fuels, they harm the environment. Yet, they are not environmentally harmful because the electric vehicle sector embraces renewable energy and minimizes its carbon footprint. Until all electric vehicles operate on 100% renewable energy, their electrical source and manufacturing process will continue to be an environmental concern. The good news is that energy production has reached a crucial turning point, and every component of electric vehicle manufacture has the potential to be entirely environmentally friendly, simply a matter of time. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the dark side of electric vehicles. Which of them are you most concerned about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tech Bros for more content such as this.